In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Airbnb. If you need to update the number linked to your Airbnb account, the process is pretty straightforward and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. You can follow these same general steps whether you're using the Airbnb app or the Airbnb website. Start by going to Airbnb and logging into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one or if you've used a different email or login method before. Once you're signed in, head to your account settings. From there, open the account section and look for personal info. This is where Airbnb stores important details connected to your profile and how they contact you. Inside personal info, find the contact information area. In that section, you should see your current phone number listed. Next to the phone number, click or tap edit. This will let you replace the old number with a new one. Carefully enter your new phone number and make sure to choose the correct country code before you continue. That part is important because if the country code is wrong, the verification message may not reach you. After entering the new number, Airbnb will send a verification code, sometimes called an OTP, to that number. At this point, check your phone for the message and enter the code exactly as you received it. It's a good idea to do this right away since verification codes can expire after a short time. Once you enter the code successfully, Airbnb will confirm the new phone number and save it to your account. That means your updated number will now be the one associated with your profile for account access, notifications, and security-related communication. If you don't receive the verification code immediately, double-check that the number and country code were entered correctly and make sure your phone can receive text messages. In some cases, it may help to wait a moment and try again. That's all it takes to change your phone number on Airbnb. Log in, go to Account, open Personal Info, find contact information, edit your phone number, enter the new one, and verify it with the code Airbnb sends you. Once that's done, your account will be updated and ready to use with your new number.